Uranium in community water systems. What do you need to know about it, and how does it affect the water? How does it get into the water? We're going to answer all that. So what is uranium and how does it get into water? So it is a type of radionuclide, radioactive material, and radionuclides from naturally occurring sources like rock, soil can get into groundwater and surface waters in Minnesota. And uranium and other radionuclides can be found in small amounts in Minnesota's groundwater. In general, surface water does not contain radionuclides at levels of concern. But what is the health effects of uranium? Well, different doses of radiation cause different health effects, and drinking water that has uranium in it would put you in contact with very low doses of radiation every day. Now, that might not be a problem initially, but over time, that can cause issues in your kidneys as it will get stored there. Even if some comes out through excretion or anything else, you're still going to have uranium piling up slowly, and a little bit of radiation every day. Also, you'll have a high risk of getting cancer if you drink water with uranium in it every day for many years. And the standard of uranium in community water systems, as we can see the mean uranium levels in Minnesota in their community water systems right here. All community water systems test for uranium and ensure levels meet the Environmental Protection Agency's drinking water standard or maximum containment level. Uranium and other levels of radioactivity in water are measured in per curies per liter, or PCIL, of water, and the maximum containment level for uranium is 20 per curies per liter, which is the same as 30 micrograms per liter. No community water system in Minnesota has exceeded the MCL for uranium, which is good. And we can see the information right here, and we can see how they take a look at the federal maximum containment levels for uranium, which is 20.1. Also, we have the maximum uranium levels for the community water systems here. We can see the population served by community water systems, mean uranium concentration in 2021. Does that mean it's still not a problem? Well, the issue is just because it hasn't shown up in water doesn't mean that there might be small concentrations that are not affecting people over time. So what can be done about uranium in drinking water? All community water systems test for uranium and ensure levels meet the EPA standard. If a system's uranium level was to exceed the standard, the system would notify customers, make changes to reduce the level. And you can find that by going ahead and reading your water quality report and talk to your community water system as well. But even so, how do you know if there's high concentrations of uranium in your water, even if the health department or the community water report doesn't say there's any problems, but you suspect something? You have to test it. And that's why it's always a good idea to periodically test your water for high levels of uranium.